Looking for a little fun with your family on maybe a holiday weekend or just a nice summer weekend? We've got something for you at Parris RV. I have Brett Parris here, and you've got toys for days. I get so jealous coming down here. Massive trailer, envy. Tell me about the one we've got here today, Brett.
Yeah, I absolutely love that trailer. That's a 2020. It's a Puma XLE, and the model's called a 20 MBC.
Okay, and this not only has one kitchen, there's also a kitchen inside.
You know, it's really got everything in a super compact package. It's a 20-foot box, and it only weighs 4,800 pounds, which means you can tow it with a half-ton vehicle. And then it's got dual kitchens. It's got a really nice kitchen on the inside with a microwave and a stove and an oven and, you know, everything you need. But look at the kitchen on the outside. You know, if I get a choice to cook inside or out, I'd rather cook on the outside. You've got a barbecuer here, so, you know, you can make, do some flipping right there. You've got a griddle here, you've got hot and cold water, and you got an outside fridge for your favorite beverage.
And you know what? Even if I didn't go camping, I would pop this out in my yard and have the full barbecue outdoors. So multiple uses there.
Yes.
But it's not just this beautiful outside with the awning that is a huge draw for this. Tell me about the Murphy bed and why that can actually save you lots of money, lots of space, everything.
You know, the inside of this trailer is amazing what they've done with the space. So if you said to me, hey, Brett, I want a walk-around island bed, I want a sofa, I want a dinette, I want great big double-sized bunk beds in the back to fit my family, I'd say, you know what, you're going to have to be a 30-foot trailer.
Yeah, exactly.
But in this one, it's got a Murphy bed. So the Murphy bed flips up, which you don't need in the daytime.
Right.
Then you've got a sofa underneath that you can use for the daytime.
Yes.
And you're able to cut 6 feet out of the length of your trailer because the bed will disappear in the daytime.
So you could tow with the smaller vehicle.
You know, and towing less is better than towing more. You can get into more areas, you can get back in the back country better, but I just love it. You know, that bed you can leave made up, you can leave your sheets on it, you can leave your pillows there, your comforter.
Yes.
You put the sofa down, and then you lay the bed down, and you've got a walk-around island bed.
Now that's awesome, but it doesn't just have that bed, it has huge bunk beds. This whole back corner is bunk beds. Dinette's a bed. You can sleep how many?
Yeah, you know, it sleeps 7 or 8 depending on the size. Those double-sized bunk beds definitely could put 2 kids per bunk bed, which is pretty cool. And then it's got a real nice corner bath, so you've got everything you need in the bathroom with plenty of room. You've got this nice power awning. You've got the super high-end fold-up stairs. I mean, it doesn't have any better, there's no better stairs than those stairs. You've got the nice LED light to enjoy time after hours, and it's short and compact and easy to take your family out.
I see lots of stargazing, campfires, but also spending some time in the air conditioning or in that comfy Murphy bed. Where can people come down and take a look for themselves?
Yeah, Parris RV's got 2 great locations in Murray, right on State Street. This particular one is at 5545 South State, or really the best way to shop is just online at parrisrv.com.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Brett. I think they've got something for every family type, for every adventure that you want to have this summer.